Have you ever stood in front of the mirror, wishing your skin would just glow the way it used to? You find yourself hiding under makeup, feeling frustrated by breakouts, dullness, or dark spots. Trust me, beautiful, you are not alone. So many women silently carry the burden of skin struggles. It's more than just vanity. It's about confidence, self-worth, and how we show up in the world. Whether it's hormonal acne, dry patches, or uneven tone, skin issues can affect how we feel about ourselves so deeply. But I'm here to tell you that you are beautiful, you are worthy, and your skin is worthy of love and care. Today, let's talk about how to get clear, glowing skin gently, naturally, and joyfully. Are you ready to unlock your natural glow? Let's begin. Our journey to radiant skin starts from within. Think of your body as a garden, and your skin is the most beautiful flower in that garden. To make that flower bloom, we need to nourish it with the right nutrients. Your skin is a reflection of what's happening inside your body. Glowing skin begins on your plate. What we eat fuels our cells, supports collagen production, and fights inflammation. Avocados, berries, pumpkin seeds, leafy greens, and sweet potatoes are all skin superfoods. Bonus tip: start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Lemon water helps to flush out toxins, aids in digestion, and gives your skin a healthy glow. Nourish your skin from the inside out. Water is life, and it's also the secret to plump, dewy skin. Think of your skin cells as thirsty little sponges, just waiting to soak up all that hydration. When we're dehydrated, our skin can become dry, flaky, and more prone to wrinkles. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. Add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt and a squeeze of lemon to your water for natural electrolytes. Herbal teas like spearmint or chamomile are also great for hydration and calming properties. Hydration is a journey, not a destination. The health of your gut plays a significant role in the clarity and radiance of your skin. A healthy gut helps regulate hormones, reduce inflammation, and improve nutrient absorption. Incorporate probiotics into your daily routine with fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. Eat plenty of fiber-rich foods to promote regularity. Be mindful of foods that might trigger inflammation or imbalances in your gut, like processed foods and sugary drinks. Listen to your body and keep a food journal if needed. Healing your gut is a journey of self-discovery and self-love. Let's talk about how we can support our skin with a gentle and effective skincare routine. Embrace the power of simplicity. Start with cleansing using a mild, sulfate-free cleanser. Tone your skin with a soothing toner like rose water or witch hazel. Moisturize with a product that suits your skin type. Apply a broad-spectrum SPF daily to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Have you ever noticed how your skin looks its best after a good night's sleep? That's because sleep is when our skin goes into repair mode. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine that signals to your body it's time to wind down. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and screen-free. Apply a calming oil like lavender or chamomile to your pulse points before bed. Sleep is essential for your overall well-being, including the health and radiance of your skin. Our emotional well-being and our skin health are deeply intertwined. Stress can manifest in our skin in many ways, from breakouts and inflammation to dryness and dullness. Incorporate simple yet powerful practices into your daily lives to manage stress. Journaling, deep breathing, and connecting with nature are wonderful ways to reduce stress. Practice gratitude to shift your perspective and focus on the positive. You deserve peace, and when your nervous system calms down, your skin will follow. Manage stress like a queen. Beautiful soul, you are not broken. Your skin is simply asking for a little more love, nourishment, and patience. True beauty radiates from within. Clear, glowing skin isn't about perfection, it's about balance. Start small. Start today. Maybe just swap out one sugary snack for a handful of juicy berries. You are worthy of feeling radiant inside and out. Let today be the day you say yes to nourishing, loving, and reclaiming your skin.